As covered in class, market sizes can be estimated at different levels: the total addressable market, the serviceable attainable market, and the serviceable obtainable market. I'm going to illustrate this concept by calculating the market size of the company Boom Supersonic. Boom specializes in the manufacturing of a supersonic commercial jet. This cutting-edge aircraft they call the Overture is designed to revolutionize long-haul travel by significantly reducing flight times. Let's dive into the calculations by using the top-down method. The top-down method starts with the estimation of the total addressable market TAM. In this case, I define TAM as the aerospace manufacturing market in which Boom operates. I analyzed market research reports to assume the market size, which encompasses all types of airplanes. However, I'm only going to focus on the production of long-haul airplanes like the Overture to segment the market more precisely. For some, I'm going to assess the feasibility of Boom capturing the entire market share of TAM. Taking into account the Overture's suitability for long-haul routes and regulatory limitations on sonic booms, I was able to identify the most viable routes. These represent approximately 5% of TAM. To determine SOM, I'm going to analyze the competitive environment and assess the market share Boom can capture in the short term. Considering that the strongest players in the market hold a 20% market share of TAM, I will assume that Boom can achieve a 10% market share of SOM. Now for the bottom-up method, which starts with the serviceable obtainable market SOM. In this case, I will examine primary data from Boom itself by considering Boom's pre-sale order book and the average sales price of long-haul aircrafts. Additionally, it is worth noting that airplane manufacturers often offer a 50% discount to airlines buying in bulk. Furthermore, the profits generated from maintenance services should also be taken into account. For determining SAM, I'm going to reuse the viable flight routes and the total number of long-haul aircrafts. This will help estimate the potential number of Overture sales if Boom were to serve the entire SAM. Finally, to determine TAM, I'm going to assume that Boom can capture the entire long-haul aircraft market. I multiply the total number of long-haul aircrafts worldwide by the average sales price and also take into account the discount. Additionally, I factor in the yearly maintenance revenue. As you can see, the bottom-up method reveals a larger market size potential. It's crucial to note that the top-down approach relies on less detailed secondary data and that calculating both methods is advisable for a comprehensive perspective. However, in cases where primary data is unavailable, the top-down approach can still provide an adequate estimation. A disclaimer on the side: as this is only a short explainer video, the concept of market sizing cannot be explained to its full extent. I recommend downloading the full market sizing Excel model linked in the description and analyzing it thoroughly for a deeper understanding. In it, you will find the most important aspect of market sizing, the sheet about all the assumptions which are linked to the output. Let's recap what we have learned. In general, top-down approaches start with defining the total addressable market. This is a very broad market in which individuals share a problem or need. Once you have identified the market, look for market data in market and industry reports that fit your definition. From there on, narrow down to the serviceable attainable market and obtainable market by making assumptions about how your solution can solve the problem or need of the total market. On the other hand, bottom-up approaches start with leveraging primary data from the company or gathered by yourself to define the serviceable obtainable market. From there on, scale up to the total market by again making assumptions. Keep in mind that market sizing is an estimation based on your assumptions, which are linked to the output of the Excel model. Therefore, the higher the quality of the input, the better the quality of the output.